Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locking the actual message and format. Pick whether this is plain text or a link to multimedia. Once you choose, host any file you need, an image, audio clip, or private doc, so it has a stable URL. Make sure the message tone and length match the reveal method. A long letter may be a hosted page, short lines can be embedded text. Also check privacy settings and accessibility. You don't want recipients blocked or asked to log in when they scan. You now create the QR. Paste the final URL or text into a generator and pick a high error correction, M or H, so styling won't break readability. Once generated, customize size and file type. Export at 300/1000px for print or SVG for scaling. If you add colors or a logo, make sure foreground contrast stays strong and the quiet zone is preserved. Test scans on 3 different phones while adjusting colors until scanning is instantaneous. You finish by applying the QR to your chosen medium. Print it on a card, stick it in a book, or include it in an email image, positioning it flat with no glare. Before gifting, scan at the real-life distance the recipient will use to verify quick access and correct landing content. If anyone reports scanning problems, troubleshoot. Increase contrast, remove visual clutter, shrink or move the logo, or regenerate with higher error correction. Make sure you can still update the hosted content if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.